is my honest reaction of how this drive in this blizzard is going for the last 8, 9, 10 hours basically. So I can't go past 30 miles an hour, or else I'm gonna finna go slipping and sliding like a penguin. Yay! So fun! I can't see nothing. I just see Jack Frost and Santa Claus dabbing each other up. I don't know if I can do this. I am tropical. Yo soy boricua y cubano. Like, I swam here. Like, what do you mean? I didn't swim here. My mom swam here. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. White stuff everywhere. I can't see the road at all. If I crash, I'll make the call. I'm getting towed this Christmas.